If you can't beat them, join them. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. If you can't beat them, join them. This saying has been around for ages, and for good reason. It essentially means that if you can't achieve your goals by opposing someone or something, it's better to align yourself with them to achieve success. It's a powerful tool that can be used in numerous ways, from personal relationships to business dealings. For instance, let's say you're working on a project and you're having trouble getting your ideas across to your team. Instead of butting heads with them in a futile attempt to get your way, it's better to figure out what resonates with them and find a common ground. By doing so, you'll be able to get your points across more effectively and achieve your goals. Another example of this principle in action is in the world of sports. When athletes experience injuries or setbacks, they often have to change their approach to the game. Rather than fighting against their limitations, they sometimes have to adapt their style or strategy to overcome them. In doing so, they often discover new strengths and abilities they didn't know they possessed, leading to significant achievements and accolades. Ultimately, this principle comes down to the idea of collaboration. By finding a way to work together with someone or something, you can achieve greatness that you can't achieve alone. It's a powerful mindset that can help you overcome obstacles and achieve your goals, no matter how big or small they may be. If you can't beat them, join them. If you're facing a challenging situation, consider how you can apply the "if you can't beat them, join them" principle to help you succeed, whether it's in your personal or professional life. Embracing collaboration and finding common ground with others can be a game changer. Remember, success isn't always about winning or being right. It's about working towards a common goal and achieving it together. So next time you're facing a tough situation, consider how you can use this powerful proverb to your advantage. If you can't beat them, join them. This age-old proverb has stood the test of time for a reason. By embracing collaboration and finding common ground with others, you can achieve greatness that you can't achieve alone. Whether it's in your personal or professional life, the power of teamwork can be a game changer. So next time you're facing a challenging situation, consider how you can use this principle to your advantage. Remember, success isn't always about being right. It's about working towards a common goal and achieving it together. So why not join forces with those you once opposed and see where it takes you? The results may surprise you. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.